I purchased the GoPro Hero 10, and my thoughts out loud and what I'm getting used to and trying to figure some things out. And I'm having that second thoughts. I'm kind of saying I have 15 days to figure out if I need the camera or I can simply just work with what I have. If I turn the GoPro on, I don't see the front screen, and that's a good thing. I see the back screen. If I hit the record button, I finally have the front screen off, and that's what I've been trying to do. But if I want to have the front screen on, I swipe down, I go to the X, and I choose one of the things I want. Full screen, actual screen, and the status only. I believe it was on the actual screen. Now we see the dash, and we can hit the savings or the check mark, and we swipe up. And now we got both screens on. Nowhere in this camera can you have the back screen and switch to the front screen. Not a good thing. So let me turn this off and let me show you the Osmo Action. The Osmo Action, if you turn the camera on, your option is to double tap. It goes to the front screen and the back screen is not on. Or you can hit the quick side button once and it switches. While recording, if you long press the side button, get a good grip, it is on the front screen. GoPro has done a wonderful job with their cameras. Now, this camera has a 5-minute standby. It will shut off after 5 minutes if you tap the off button. One of the nice things that GoPro has that we asked for DJI to put on the camera, and it need to go into the profile, no matter what it is you're using, you slide up and you look for timer. When you press timer, you have the ability to do 3 seconds or 10 seconds. That is something that is awesome. Press the side to save it. It counts down, more like a 2-second timer. 3 seconds to be 0, and then go. So that is pretty neat with the GoPro. Now, one of the things is, why does it sound louder and lower at given times? Sometimes the screen will hesitate hitting the standard, and I can't get it to happen, but it is pretty responsive. Now, one of the downsides for me, and not for you, would be my editors. 4K, I'm good. Once I go to 5K, I have to wait for the future of updating not my Pro 4 Surface or my laptop. I gotta wait for a better laptop to do this editing. I hope I helped you out. The media module is nice, is big, it makes the camera really bigger. But the Sonova door, the piece, if they would have kind of made a better design to that, it would have been great. around the whole thing, made it fit to this whole side, than to have something like that. So maybe when the Osmo Action 2 comes out in November, December, we'll have a camera that's 8K. And for me to get an 8K camera, rather than go get a GoPro. So for now, those are my thoughts right now. I still got my 15 days to think of what to do. So what would you do if you had a couple earlier models and the Osmo? You really don't need to have the latest model at this given time until one of these break, and this is the one. If it breaks, then it would make a lot of sense to have those two models. On that note, thank you very much for your time.